Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use paste special divide in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many data to this spreadsheet. Now we want to use the paste special divide option. At first, copy anything. Now I am select the data, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Select copy option. Then click another cell, click the paste drop down menu and go to paste special option. Now we can see here many option. Now I am select the divide option and click OK. Now we can see we use the paste special divide into Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.